Hi, welcome to TaxUSign. This tutorial video will help you navigate your TaxNome portal. Here we are in the home screen. If you look over to the right side, you can see options to upload documents, new chat, and make prepayment. We're going to go ahead and head over to the Documents tab on the left-hand column. You can also upload your documents via this tab. You can view your documents using these options here, which is Recent, Folders, and Trash. If you know the name of the document, you can also look for it via the search bar here. I'm just going to search screenshot as an example. And as you can see, they all show right here. Using the filter, you can filter your search by file type so your search will be more precise. Let's select PDF as an example. So now only PDFs will show in the search. Now let's try images, and here are all the images I currently have. Next, we're going to go into Messages and Tasks. Under the Active tab, you will be able to see all of your current messages. You can create a new chat by clicking here. You can add your subject line here, and then your message. You can also add a document to your message. And after you're all done, select Create Chat. If we go over to the Client Tasks tab, you will be able to view all of your current tasks as a client. The Archived tab will hold whichever chat you have archived. Now we're going to go into Organizers. If an organizer was sent to you, they would appear here. The status column is useful as you can see whether an organizer is completed or not. You can also select New Organizer to fill it out yourself. From here, you would just click on the drop-down menu and select which organizer you'd want to create. After you have finished your organizer, go ahead and select Save and Submit. Next up is Contracts. This one is fairly simple. Anytime a contract is sent to you, they will appear here under the Contracts tab. Contracts also have a status column, so you can see if you have signed a contract or not. Under the Invoices tab, you can check on your invoices and payments. You can also make prepayments within this page. If you have questions or concerns about preparing for tax season, you can book a 25-minute advisory session with us. You can do so by going to www.taxusign.com, select Book Online, Current Clients, and then Book Now for the 25-minute coaching and advisory session option. If you select on Check Next Availability, you will be able to see Lily's next available slot. When you have selected your time, go ahead and click on Next. You can also use the link provided in the description to book your 25-minute appointment.